off our shoes and have some fun. Get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. So grab somebody, dose-a-do, 'cause life's a dance floor, don't you know? Hey, there's electricity in the air, so come join the party if you dare. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high.
As a product designer, I have to make the best use of my time. A smartwatch helps me to keep tracking, but no one on the market suits both my style and need. I found the answer after visiting Salardi Unique.
Inspired by the beauty of the lake, we came up with an idea of the perfect smartwatch. We call it the transparent levitated display. All information is displayed on the glass and disappears completely when not in use. That's why MimX is the most beautiful integration of traditional and smartwatches. Notifications will be shown on the glass, turning the whole watch face into a display. MimX is powered by an integrated digital step motor. That's why we can streamline the watch by removing the entire watch crown. MimX also has all the features you would expect from a modern smartwatch. For example, a heart rate monitor that helps you to keep track of your fitness. The dual time zone function, where another time is shown with the display and it automatically syncs with your phone. MimX case is forged to surgical grade stainless steel, cut with diamond blades for maximum precision. We also offer a wide selection of straps, from hand-picked natural leather to durable TPU materials. They can be switched to suit any occasion. Now you get more in Mim.
This is Gate, the first all-in-one smart lock. Gate is the first all-in-one system to conveniently manage who comes in and out of your home. It's your personal doorman, protecting everything you hold most important and connecting you to your guests and services. It includes a smart lock with key access that can be controlled remotely by mobile phone or computer, 2, a keypad entry system, 3, a motion-activated camera with audio and doorbell, and 4, a secure Wi-Fi connection. Imagine, your kids come home from school and can not only let themselves in, even if they forgot their key, but you also get a notification based on their personal passcode.
Hey guys, how's it going? Good, I got an A+ on my math test.
All right, good job.
Your Airbnb guests arrive and receive a text with a random and secure temporary passcode that is valid only for the length of their stay. Your delivery arrives. You can either let them in remotely.
Hi, who is it?
Package delivery.
Oh, great. I'll unlock it for you.
Or, if they are one of our registered service providers, they will automatically receive a one-time passcode, valid for the scheduled delivery day only. Your small business is closed, but you still need to get deliveries. Gate lets you not only control who comes in, but it also keeps track of each person who comes to your door and notifies you, if you choose. The challenge of Gate was to create a system within a single, easy-to-install device. Gate was created by a team of successful engineers who were leading projects at Sandia National Lab, Qualcomm, and Google. After 2 years of prototyping, Gate teamed up with the award-winning design firm Boxclever to create a product that is not only functionally robust, but beautifully designed. Gate is easy to install, secure, and easy to use. Gate, protecting what's inside and connecting what's outside securely.
Imagine writing a whole new experience. Imagine state-of-the-art technology all in one design. Imagine discovering a completely new concept. Imagine taking perfection to a whole new level. Now, stop imagining.
We are the team behind VIKA. We've been working on this project for the past 3 years. Now, we want to scale our project to bigger proportions, and we need your help. Join the revolution and continue your journey with us. Thank you for watching.